The Supreme Court on Tuesday issued directions for ensuring the burial or cremation of bodies lying in mortuaries in Manipur, where ethnic clashes had claimed several lives in May. A bench headed by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud noted that a report filed by Apex Court appointed all-women committee of former High Court judges, headed by Justice retired Geeta Mittal, has indicated deposition of the bodies that are lying in mortuaries in the northeastern state. The bench, also comprising Justices J.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Misra, said the report indicated that 169 of the 175 bodies have been identified, while 6 have not been identified. It noted that of the 169 identified bodies, 81 have been claimed by the next of kin, while 88 have not been claimed. The bench observed that the state government has identified 9 sites where the burial or cremation can take place. Bearing in mind the fact that violence in the state of Manipur had taken place in May 2023, it would not be either appropriate or proper to keep the bodies which have not been identified or claimed indefinitely in the mortuaries, it said. The Apex Court is seized of a batch of pleas, including those seeking court-monitored props into cases of violence, besides measures for relief and rehabilitation. During the hearing on Tuesday, the bench directed that last rites can be done by the family members for identified and claimed bodies at any of the 9 sites without any hindrance by other parties. It said state authorities will inform the next of kin of the identified bodies which have already been claimed about the sites. The bench said this exercise must be carried out on or before December 4th. It says the collector and the superintendent of police, SP, would be at liberty to take all appropriate steps for the maintenance of law and order so as to ensure that the burials of cremation take place in an orderly manner. In the events that DNA samples have not been drawn at the stage when the autopsies were conducted, the state shall ensure drawing of such samples before the process of burial cremation takes place, the Apex Court said. The bench said it would hear on December 4th the issues raised in the committee's report about acceptance of ex gratia to kin of the victims. The committee, headed by Justice retired Geeta Mittal, also includes Justice retired Shalini P. Joshi and Asha Menon. Manipur descended into chaos and untrammeled violence in May over a High Court order directing the state government to consider including the non-tribal Meitei community in the list of scheduled tribes.